I'm going to show how to plant radish at home in a pot or container because this is a good plant to grow at home because it grows very fast. Around 4 weeks, it is already ready to harvest. So it is a good choice to plant indoors and also in containers. You have to use containers at least 6 inches or 15 centimeters deep, and the soil must be loose, not compact. It has to be loose for the radishes to grow well under the soil. So I want to start to put the seeds. You can make it two ways, or either you make small holes separated 2 inches apart. 2 inches is 5 centimeters, more or less. Or you can open a space like this. That is the approach I'm going to do here. I'm going to open a space like this, not too deep, half an inch or 2 centimeters deep. Okay, like this, more or less. And then I take the seeds. Here they are. This is what they look like. And I'm going to put small quantities like this. Okay. If you make the holes, you put 2 or 3 seeds in each hole. If you make a line like this, just put a few of them like this. And the idea is, because not all seeds sprout, the idea is when they sprout, you take some sprouts in between to create some space, and that way you can have sufficient quantity of radishes growing. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to cover it up. Don't put it too deep. Half an inch, 2 centimeters is sufficient. Okay. And first time you put water, be careful. Don't put too much water, or don't spray it with too much pressure. For the seeds, you don't want the seeds to get out of the place they are. So be gentle when you put the water. Okay, this is sufficient. Until it doesn't sprout. You don't have to put it near the sun or in a bright place. When it starts sprouting, then it's the time to put it in a bright place. So let's wait, and when it sprouts, I'll show what to do. One important thing is register the date in which you planted the seeds. And stick the date in the container. This is how the radishes look 7 days after planting the seeds. As you can see, only 7 days, and they grew very fast. They are very big. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out some sprouts to leave space for the remaining radishes to grow well, because the radishes, they don't like to grow with too much competition, with too much radishes or other plants near. So I have to give a little bit of space, more or less 5 centimeters. I have this thing over here that has 5 centimeters. It doesn't have to be exactly 5 centimeters, but it's a good measure to use. So what I'm going to start to do is I'm going to take out some sprouts and keep a distance of 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters is 2 inches. It's the same thing, between the radishes. Don't feel bad because you're taking out these sprouts. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to eat them. I'm going to wash them. I'm going to cut off this part of the root. I'm going to wash them, and then I'm going to eat them, because they are very delicious, and they are highly nutritious. So it is very good to eat. So I want to keep doing this. You should prefer to keep the bigger radishes, the bigger plants, or taller or with bigger leaves, because it is an indicator that the plant is healthy. So now I already gave some space to these remaining radishes. Just let them grow. You should maintain the soil always humid. Water it every 2 days. Be careful not to put too much water and not to saturate the soil, but it's good to be always humid. So you can stick your finger and see if it needs more water or no. And keep it in a bright place, because it is good to catch sunlight. And that's it. I will make a video, perhaps I'll make a video of how the radishes look when they are ready to harvest. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up. See you next time, and bye bye.